Welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix no signal issue on your Samsung the Frame TV. So when you're seeing this no signal sign on your TV, first you have to ensure that the external device like your console or maybe your I don't know, maybe it's some other monitors, whatever, is powered on and turned on. So as you can see, my console to which I connected this TV is powered off. So what I have to do is to power it on, and once it's awake, as you can see, this problem is resolved. But if this isn't the issue in your case, then you have to check the connections. So make sure that your HDMI cable is connected both to your external device and to your Samsung One Connect box. Make sure that it's firmly connected from both sides, and also make sure that your device is plugged into the power source itself. And by the way, some devices require, like this Nintendo Switch console, require using the original AC adapter. So if you are using an unoriginal AC adapter to keep your device charging, then this is probably the issue. And if you checked everything and you still see the signal, then try to connect your HDMI cable, disconnecting it from this port and connecting it to the other one. And in such case, you're gonna have to use your remote control, press return button on it, or maybe let's press home button, then go to sidebar connected devices, and in connected devices choose the other HDMI connection. And at this point everything should work well. Maybe your device simply isn't compatible, maybe there is an issue within your external device, but generally following all these steps and troubleshooting all of the potential issues that I mentioned will get you to start using your external device with your TV in most cases. So at this point, I really hope that this video helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.